first way, and that's in A, E, B minor, D. I went over how to play the verse there, and it just repeats. But the part where it says you soft and lonely, you lost and lonely, you. That's how you would play it on if you played the A, E, B minor, D. Your F sharp minor, G. Then F sharp minor to D the last time, and then it goes back into the B minor, D. All right, so that's one way to play it. Here's number two. It's in the key of G. How much lower that is. Show me how you do that trick. One that makes me scream. I think this is the easiest way to play it. Because you can play it with no bar chords. So that I think is the easiest, and if you're using a capo, you could change the pitch for your voice. And I think that's the way Robert Smith plays it when he plays acoustic guitar. All right, and on that one, the nice thing is on that part. You can play that E minor, and you can play the F, the F major 7 with just 3 fingers. Index on fret 1, string 2, middle finger on fret 2, string 3, and ring finger on fret 3, string 4. You can play the high E in there too. That's why I say this is the easiest, because you can play with absolutely no bar chords. You have the minor chords are the A minor, the E minor. All right, last way. You can play it in D. If you're playing it that way, you're playing D, A, E minor, G. And for that one, you'd play this for the U. You play B minor to C. Play a little modified B minor, just like your A minor. Just put your index finger on the 3rd fret and you get B minor. And the advantage there is if you play the you can just slide your index finger down, and the C is the other chord. B minor, C. Minor, C. And then I think A would be your G. The 3rd time around you'd go. And that's also how the song would end. You, something only you, nothing lonely, you, just like heaven. So that should give you some different options for ways you can play it. 3 different keys. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. Alright, thanks. Bye.